Hey, hello friend, this is Vikas Yadav. Today I'm going to show you how you can scrap a data from a web page. So first of all, you need a web browser. I'm using a Firefox web browser. Now open this and go to a specific website from which you want the data to be scrapped out. So I want timeanddate.com be my specific website. Here's the website. So I go to New Delhi. Here's the web page from which I want the specific data. And what is the specific data? I want the date and the time. Here's my date and here's my time. So how you can pick this data or you draw this data out from the web page? So Python provides support using different modules. So I'm using URL and Beautiful Shop. So first of all, you have to go to this date and right click on this and go to inspect element. So here you can see this tag with a class and having a content showing us the current time. So how you can get this data from this web page? You have to specify the ID. Whereas over here every class have a different ID. So how you can get this data and this ID? So let's go to desktop and create a file, Python file. So I'm creating a file over desktop. Now I don't want the folder to be created, I simply want the file. So I'm using touch and the specific file name is web scrapping.py, and then I need a text editor to open it. So I'm using gedit web scrapping. So here's our empty file. So first of all, we need two modules. We need to call them. If you haven't installed them, install them first. So let's use this. First import URL lib. Then the second module is Beautiful Shop. So let's import this from BS4. Import Beautiful Shop. That's all. Now how do you call the specific web address from this Python program? So the solution is provided by the URL lib. So let's create a object of URL lib. URL open, and what it all does is you need to specify the web address in the double quotes, and it will download the web page content in the string format in the data variable. So you need to go to the web browser and copy this web address and go to your Python program and paste it over here. It's all done for the URL lib. Now we need to use the Beautiful Shop form. So let's create a Beautiful Shop object first. Shop equals to Beautiful Shop data. It takes two parameters. First one is the string which contains all the web page content, and second is the parser. If you don't know what is a parser, go now and Google search it. I'm using HTML parser over here. .parser. Now let's print what all this shop variable contains. Now open a new terminal and you have to look where you have stored or where you have saved your Python file. We know that we have saved it all desktop. And now type Python and the name of the file. It's taking time. Here you can see is all the content from the web page. It looks so weird. So the solution is provided with a beautiful software. All it does is it makes and prettify this all the web page and web content. So I'm using HTML parser. Do a thing. I want the date or the time. So first let's grab the time from the web page. We need to specify the ID, where ID is double quote CT. So let's call it this is time SOAP dot. So beautiful SOAP provide a very good solution by finding a specific element or a tag. Now in the find function you have to specify what ID or what content you want. So I need to specify ID equals to double quotes CT current time. It's all done. Now let's print the time, what all this variable time contains. Okay, now go over here and again Python web scraping.py. Here you can see there is element span contains the content. So we only want the content, so you have to specify time.string. String. Now again run that file. Here you can see the time. Okay, now the second part is we have to scrap the date from the web page. So select the date from over here and go to inspect element, and here is a different ID CTDAT contains the time, sorry, date. Now go to your text editor and now you have to take another data type or data variable, date equals to SOAP dot find, and now you need the date from here. So you need to specify CTDAT current date, and you have to print that also. So let's do this by, don't forget this commas, date dot string. It's all done. Now let's run this. It's all done for today. Here you can see the time and the date right now. Now what if you want this data to be refreshed every second? So you need to call this from here to here, you call to this repeatedly. So it's a homework. So it's all done for today. So if you want the program code, go to my GitHub repository. What all you can do is go to the link given in the description. Thank you.